Okay, everybody. I don't know if you can tell at the top of the arch there, it's bent. That's where the male inserts into the female portion of the pipes, and this is why my friend from church uses 20-foot poles, is because it bends, it crimps that every time. I'm in the process slowly of getting these installed. My mom wanted to come help, but I've kind of left her inside while I'm doing this, just to give her a break. She's been working hard with the kids and everything. But I'll show you what I'm doing. I've got these self-tapping screws, and whenever I get them to the height I want them at, I go and I put one self-tapping screw in each one just to hold that post there. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and get the rest of the poles up and see about doing that. I'm almost out of battery on my camera, so you might not get too much of this footage, but hopefully it's all there whenever I go to review. Alright, so you see how it crimped there? It's actually a little high. I'll bring it down some more once I get the rest of them up there. But that's the problem I'm having right now. In the future, when I build my next one, I'm going to be using 20-footers instead of these 10-footers, just to avoid that again. Because I don't like the way that looks. What I'll do is I'll go through and I'll probably wrap all of that with duct tape to protect the plastic in the future, or maybe probably put pool noodles on it. I think that would the section of pool noodle up there will protect it, the plastic that I'm going to use. I think that'll be nice, and then I'll have to worry about a sticky mess whenever I go to clean it up. Alright, so I'm getting more of a feel of the size my greenhouse is going to be, and I'm getting excited because this is a lot more room than I'm used to walking around in there with. I could even, instead of cutting my grow bed in half, or roughly half like I wanted to originally, I could just use it as one big like sludge catchment basin and plant a ton of kale in there. That helps draw the salts out that we have in our water. And will help clean out the water even more. Something for me to think about. You saw what I did on that one. I hadn't gotten enough bend in it on the bender out there. I probably should have paid better attention to what I was doing. But see how bad that one crimped? Just like the bad one. But yeah, like I said, with the pool noodles, that'll be fine. not pretty. Not pretty at all. But you know what? It's better than what I had. It's a step in the right direction. And I'll be back after. I'm going to do a couple of these for you, show you what. Ow. Show you what I do here. Just keep the inside here. Like that. I'll be doing both sides, one on each for now, and then back with Alright, I got that done, and it's slowly starting to look like a greenhouse. It's going to actually, my next step I think is to install the 2x8s, I think they're 2x8s, along the bottom all the way around as extra support structure, plus the lacing J-hooks will be going through those. Those are for the Caterpillar version. I'm not doing the Caterpillar. I got wiggle wire channels